Hi, this is Dr. Bindson with your diabetes tip of the day. Today, we're going to be talking about the summer heat. Well, today, if you're out in Las Vegas, you saw that it was about 112 degrees out. And is that abnormal? No. This time of year, that's very normal. And as a matter of fact, if it gets below 100 degrees, that's very abnormal. So what does that mean? What does it mean to a diabetic in particular? Well, diabetics are affected much more by the summer heat than the general population. And why is that? Well, for one thing, it's easy to get dehydrated in this type of environment. It's so dry out, so it's easy to get dehydrated. And if you get dehydrated, then the blood sugars are going to go up. At the same time, the blood flow is not going as well, in a diabetic, and so you won't be getting the insulin coming there, and it'll cause more urination, because there's high blood sugars. The urination will make you even more dehydrated. So what is the answer to that? Obviously, you need to make sure to hydrate and hydrate well, and be very cognizant that you drink enough water. That's just common sense for any individual, but especially a diabetic. Well, here's some more common sense that one should know, but affects the diabetic even more, are burns. If you were to get a sunburn, well, a sunburn will cause inflammation, and it also can cause a wound. The inflammation will increase your blood sugar, and the wound is very difficult to heal. Now, for the diabetic that also is neuropathic, as far as the foot is concerned, which is something that I specialize in particular, well, the feet on a diabetic that has neuropathy, he doesn't feel things as well. So if he were to walk out on that hot pavement in bare feet, that would really, really be disastrous. Why? Because he could get a severe burn. The burn will cause not only inflammation and increase the blood sugar, but also probably become a large wound. And that wound will be hard to heal. Ultimately, it may even lead to an amputation. I actually had a patient that had done something like this. He went out in this hot heat and stepped out onto the pavement, and he went ahead and burned his feet. Well, he had a severe wound,